This is Saphir's first big girl bed. Go sit on your bed, honey. Do you need some help? Climb on up. Yay! What do you think? Are you happy?
Happy day? Happy day?
Did you tell Appa thank you? Say thank you, Appa.
You're welcome, honey.
Can you say love you, Appa?
Love you too, honey.
Wave hi to mommy.
You
Hi.
Hi.
Can you say hi?
Hi.
And
you
you go
wave?
your big girl room. Yay! Ari. Can you get down too? Yay, I'm so proud of you.
Baby.